My wife's Huawei P30 phone screen was broken after being dropped to the ground. I bought a replacement screen frame kit to do the replacement. The toolkit came with a screen replacement and a cookie box cover with a white paper in it to keep the tiny parts and the screws. White cloth covered on my desk, headlight, and the hair dryer. I believe the most difficult part is to open the back cover, especially it's my first time to open the smartphone. I tried with the alcohol first, but seems useless, neither with the suction tool. Then I use the hair dryer with a flat head. Keep hitting each side of the back cover for about 10 minutes. Just be patient. Then I use a blade, carefully push and insert into the gap between the cover and the frame. Sorry, I missed to record this moment. Then I use a piece of thin plastic card to cut through the rest of the side. Make sure not push deeply into the phone, otherwise the insulation sheet of the battery will be destroyed. Make sure to pull out the battery with tape 3 in the right sequence. Only after removing the tape 1 and the tape 2. The battery is kind of soft, should be very careful. Remember to remove the red tape here in the new frame so that the underneath adhesive can hold battery firmly. I didn't record the whole process, but I think I have put all the tips which I feel very important. And there are lots of other YouTube videos showing more details you can find out. Finally, I put everything back to the new phone screen and test it before I apply the glue. So I only pay 100 Canadian dollars for the phone screen replacement kit. No any other investment for the hot gun, heating plate, or any other stuff. Watching lots of professional YouTube videos really helped me, and I also hope this video will be very helpful to you.